Mata ni gupay. Cok. Mata ni gupay. Picok. Cok. Mata. Picok. Picok.
Feels like I'm walking a road too far. I keep knocking on doors that don't open wide. Hoping for a chance, but they keep passing me by. I'm looking for work, it's so hard. Trying to find a place, but it feels like a scar. I keep hoping, I keep praying, but the world just keeps delaying. Every no feels like a weight on my chest. Every rejection cuts deep